Now we have a real-life dataset and we made it unique and we add a vector type. It's full and it's embedded. And this embedded column contains the union of product name and the description columns. Okay, I choose two items. One item's ID is 3007 and the other is 3011. These are similar items and these are reading classes. For first one, the name EB man black rectangle half rim spring hinge ivy reading classes with code 2036, and this is the picture. And the other is EB man silver rectangle half rim spring hinge reading classes with code A963. This is the picture of this item. So as a human, we can see the difference is just the color. This is black and this is silver color. And also with the data, we can see the difference here with the title. This is black and this is silver, and the code is different each other. So these two items is very suitable for the calculating the vector distance. Let's write a little bit T-SQL code. Okay. Here are embedding vectors. We have a function. Let's declare the variables. Declare at vector1 as vector 1536. Declare at vector2 as vector 1536. Select vector1 equal embedding vector from Walmart e-commerce product where product ID equal 3007. Let's try. It's working. And copy paste. The vector2 is equal embedding vector from Walmart e-commerce product where product ID equal 1311. Yes. Select at vector1 as vector1, at vector2 as vector2. Let's try. Okay, so we need to calculate the similarity of these similar items. We have a function. This function is vector distance, as you see. So the first parameter is the distance metric. We learned the cosine distance. So we write here cosine. And the other parameters, vector1 and vector2. We have vector variables, vector1 and vector2. So as you see, the vector distance is very small and 0.01 as vector distance. And also we learned the vector similarity. Vector similarity is the opposite of the vector distance. So 1 minus vector distance cosine vector1 vector2 as vector similarity. As you see, these two items are very similar to each other. The vector similarity is almost 1. Let's try another item. For example, it's a totally different item, product ID 1, and vector 1 is the same. This and vector 2 is, for example, here. Let's see all of them together, as you see, and let's check the similarity. Yes, you see the vector distance is so much, 0.25, and the vector similarity is 0.74. So these are very different items. Another item we can check as random. For example, yeah, this one. 475. You see, not harvest, and let's check it. As you see, the vector distance is so much, and the vector similarity is less. We can use the vector distance function totally inside of Azure SQL and SQL Server 2025.